Welcome to another typical day in a designer's life. Your client wants you to print a very complicated engineering model on a short deadline. Lots of details, lots of elements, and definitely lots of supports. So, what will you do? In fact, all you need to do to bring your design to life is click Print on the M300 Dual. And how to get rid of all these support structures? Well, it's even easier. Step 1. Remove the print from the platform. Step 2. Put the model in the tank filled with water and let the supports vanish by themselves. You can now assemble the mechanism without effort. All details preserved. Perfect fitting accuracy. So, what's step 3? Check out the M300 Dual. Work smarter and easier.